Hey everybody, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm doing a vlog and it's basically exploring the Huon Valley and the Margate train. But before we get into the actual video, I'd like to say some hellos and shout outs to these following people. I'm shouting out Connor 2404, Mitchell, Nick_Tick, Robyn, Kristy-Lee, Scott with a $, Aussiebrad, Koby, and Aussiegirl. Now, I'm shouting out to all of you who's fans of mine, regular fans of mine on live.me, and you check out my vlog, so welcome and thank you for doing that. Yeah, anyway, what I should do is I should really get you onto enjoying and watching this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. We're coming into Huonville now, and it's starting to get really busy. As you'll see, there is a lot of different things. There's the Huonville winery there on the left. There's Legco there and backpackers. Yeah, so this is coming into Huonville itself, into the main area of Huonville. So I'm hoping that you actually enjoy looking at the main area of Huonville. I am going to show you a lot of other different things as we get into Huonville. There's an area that I'm going to take you to, and I hope that you actually enjoy the place that I'm going to show you. This is another exploring clip. So yeah, we're exploring Huon Valley now. So this is getting into the actual city centre part of Huonville, the main busy area of Huonville. I can't remember exactly. I do remember at one stage there was an amount of, there was a list of saying how many people were actually living in Huonville, but that seems to have vanished. So I'm not really sure on where it is. And it's saying something about some area being closed here for a Christmas parade. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But we're going slowly across here. We're only going 40 k's, and we may have to go a bit lower than that as well, just to keep up with what's going on in Huonville. But this is the big city, our main city part of Huonville. Now we have the Huonville village, we have shiploads there, Woolworths, we have the BP petrol station here, we have a pizza place on the right, we have Minor 10 down here as well, we have Legs and Breast here, down here. Yeah, we have a few Carrick service stations, John's Family Grocery Supermarket, we have the Commonwealth Bank, and we also have the post office there. Hobart Sea Mission we have there as well. So yeah, it's really cool on what we've got down this way. Yeah, so we're just going slowly along here. We've got the ANZ Bank on the right. We have Blockbuster Videos. Yeah, so we have a lot of different places down here. We have the Huonville health food area. We have Nest Property and community banking. So we have a lot of different things down here that are quite interesting. We have the Huonville Grand Hotel here. This way goes towards Signet, but it's the main area where I want to take you to. I'll find a parking area along here and I'll take you out and show you some of the interesting things about this area. Now the main reason I brought you down here, this is the Huon River, and as you can see it's nice and calm at the moment. All the way up there is the Huon River. and it goes all the way down there, and it goes a fair way across. But the thing about this Huon village, Huon river area, is that it actually has boats over there, jet things where people can actually go and ride the jets, little jets and paddle boats, and they also have a cruise area along here. What I'm doing is I'm basically just showing you what they do. They've got canoes there, as you can see, where you can row canoes, and on the other side of it they have the paddle boats that you can use and go paddling on the river actually. Yeah, so this is these are the paddle boats that they have, and they have the other one there. They also have a cruise boat around there. I'll go up and I'll show you this area so that hopefully you will enjoy it. They have a restaurant here as well as everything else, but this is things that they have about the Huon Valley, the dark water, bright future and all that sort of stuff. This is the sort of thing they have. They have a speedboat that comes along as well. That's the yacht that they do cruises with. And isn't this absolutely beautiful? And I've got a seagull there that's wanting to get in the clip as well, and a few others down there on the beach side. So yeah, I'll take you out so that you can actually get a decent sort of view of it. That road around there will take us to Cygnet, and the long way around back to Hobart area. The hats. I love hats. I've got 100 of these, different types of hats, yeah, from everywhere, sent over from England and America and that. I've applied for them online. Right, this is the shop, the Huon Jet shop. As you see, it has coasters here for people to have drinks with, so put their cold drinks in and that, so that's really good. They do have, as I said before, they do have coffee facilities so that you can sit down and have a drink, have a snack and whatever. They do have a lot of cold drinks here, so that's one good thing. They also have a lot of life jackets here. As you can see, they have all different sizes, including ones for little toddlers, so they can wear a life jacket as well. And this is the sort of thing they do. They do this jet here that goes along, and they have fun with that. So yeah, this is a good place to come when you're in Tasmania, that's for sure. It's called the Huon Jet. Yeah, so they have a whole lot of things here, so I hope you enjoy this. They will look after you. They'll definitely look after you in here if you come down. And yeah, if you come down and take a ride on the jet or one of the paddle boats or the canoes there, you will have fun. They have these postcards that you can actually buy as well. And yeah, and as I say, it's called Huon Jet. It's a good little quiet area. So please come down. When you come over to Tassie for a visit, come and check out the Huon Jet. Now we're heading further along. We're heading to Cygnet, which is the next place. This is basically a round trip. This one goes around past Gordon, Middleton, Woodbridge, Kettering and all that. It goes back around that way, but we're going to just stop at some areas and yeah, we'll have a great relaxing time, and I hope that you enjoy this sort of vlog. So I'll get back to you in a sec. Now we're still on the Cygnet Highway actually, still going, nice and steady. We've got another way, Aussiebrad and Sandfly going on the left hand side, but I'm not going now, I'm going straight ahead. That's just a way of getting to Sandfly. You can go straight through and you can actually end up back in on the main road on the Huon highway. And I'm not interested in going on the highway at the moment, so we're doing this one. It's a nice area, it's a relaxing, comfortable drive, doing this drive as well, so quite enjoyable doing a drive like this. I'm doing this for you, my viewers, so I'm hoping that you do enjoy this. And as I say, I did go to the Huon Jet. It's a area down in Huonville where you can actually hire canoes, you can hire paddle boats, and also you can go on the cruise. They'll do a cruise. They also have a jet boat that they put out as well. So you get the ribs and rabs from enjoyment of going on a jet boat. They do a lot of speed, there's a lot of jumping and that sort of thing. So yeah, it is quite good. We're now in Catteron. So speed limit has gone down, of course, coming into a rural area where a lot of people are working here. Yeah, there's the guy on the tractor there, just doing some work. I'm not sure if you can read it from there. Maybe you can read of his orchard there, so yeah. We're still going along and I'll keep it going. The speed limit has dropped now from 80 down to 60 because we're basically in the Cygnet area now, and yeah, this is what a small country area of Tassie is like. This is Cygnet. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy looking at this area. As I say, this is Cygnet, so yeah, I'm going to just go nice and slow around here to give you a real good sort of look at Cygnet. On the right hand side, as you can see, is what they call the top pub. It's called the top pub. It's actually the Cygnet Hotel, but it's called the top pub because it is the last one coming out of Cygnet and it's the first one going into Cygnet. And this is what Cygnet actually looks like here. So yeah, so this is Cygnet itself. This is the shopping area, the main street of Cygnet. So yeah, as you can see, there is still a lot of businesses about here that are open. I am going to stop along here because I need to get myself a drink, and I will actually take you in with me when I do stop to get something. There's that place there, there's a lot of other things here. There's also, yeah, it's quite interesting, there's church here and that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's a very nice place, Cygnet. It's a little quiet town, but you would never believe actually is here. It is very, very quiet, and I'm parking here to go and get myself a drink, so hang on and I'll take... Yeah, I'm outside the Port Signet Grocer. So yeah, this is just a small grocer. Selling pumpkin, lettuce, onion, watermelon, apple, and so on and so forth. So yeah, it's quite good. I'm going to see if I can get myself a drink now. The drinks are all down here, and it's just a basic, normal sort of regular grocery store that you normally would get everywhere else. So I'm just looking here for a drink. What sort of drink I'm going to get? Yeah, I might get red eye, I think. Yeah, so I'm getting a red eye titanium drink. I'll get that one, and I'll also get one of these beautiful Cascade ones here as well, and I'll most likely get the ginger beer one because I like ginger beer, so I've got both of these here. I'm even to snack on. Not quite finished yet. I'm just going to get yeah, so I'm looking here, and I'll get a packet of barbecue shapes, I think, which would be good to get. So yeah, so I've got everything I need now. So yeah, I'll get these, and then we'll go back on the trip and continue on. Yeah, we're back on Channel Highway actually, heading towards Milton and Gordon. We've just gone past the owner stands, so yeah, we're going to Milton. There's a Milton shop on here that's quite good today. I don't know what it's like now. I think it's one of the other homes, but yeah, this is the Huon highway. The other part of the Huon highway is quite comfortable. Show you what it's like around Gordon. There's a nice jetty area there that I used to go to when I was younger as well. So I'll show you that as we get there. Yeah, so here we are at Catherine, Gordon. This is just the area where people can stop if they want to and have a break. As you see here, we have an old, sort of an old broken down building. I'm going to have a look and see if there's a way actually to get in, and if there is somewhere to get in, well, I'll go over, take these with me, go over and have a look in there and see what's actually in there. It does say keep out private property, but never know, we might be able to get in. There's a gap here. Might be able to get in and actually have a look. I'll split that off through. No, I can't actually squeeze myself through. Because yeah, I would have loved to have gone in there to show you. Did find a way in. So yeah, this is a abandoned sort of place. Let's see. Let's just pop in and have a look and see what's actually here. Sorry I got no light or anything, but yeah, we're just having a look through here. Not a lot, there's a lot of graffiti on there, graffiti on the wall. Go into this one, and you can look out here. Yeah, not a bad area. And of course you can hear the rooster crowing there. Just like a little hut sort of thing that used to be here. Looking through again. Yeah. Quite a interesting sort of place to look at. But yeah, we're having a look and seeing what it's like, so I hope you appreciate this. And we'll go and have a look at the rest of the Gordon beach area. Yeah, so just been in there, we've had a sort of a quick look in there. This is Gordon, it's basically a jetty area where they do take boats off from here, off the jetty. There's some that are already here with their trailers that have actually taken boats into the water already. Others just come here to go fishing. So yeah, it just depends on what people want to do when they come down here. As I say, there is a place over here where they run their boats into the water. There's a jetty over here which they can go and just do a bit of fishing if they want to do a bit of fishing. So yeah, and they've got a fishing list here and conditions on them and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's quite an interesting recreational sea fishing, and there's a whole list of fish there that they're able to get. Minimum size is 24. No minimum size, no minimum size, no minimum size. All sharks and rays combined, they can get weedy sea dragon, yellowtail kingfish. There's a limit there, 45 centimetres. Flounder, flathead, elephant fish, cod, bream, which I've caught, and the minimum is 25 centimetres. That's that one there. I've caught one of those. It was a lot bigger than that, barracuda, catfish, garfish, gurdon, I can't pronounce half of the names, mullet, octopus of course, snapper, squid calamari and squid gals, other sharks and rays, shark school on gummies, gummy sharks, salmon Australian. Yeah, there's a whole list of them there. So yeah, and then they just walk along here. There's someone over there going to cast his line out very shortly to do some fishing. I'm not sure what he's got on his line there, but we'll head over that way shortly and see what he's up to. But yeah, you just walk along here. This is the original jetty that has been here many years. I remember this back in the early 70s, this particular jetty. So yeah, I used to come here and we used to basically fish off here, and yeah, always get something in here. So yeah, this is what it's like here. This is Gordon. So yeah, we've got rules and regulations there, public information of Gordon. The yellow area is for loading and unloading passengers, crew and cargo only. Swimming, diving and jumping is forbidden off the jetty. Do not obstruct vessels coming alongside or leaving the jetty. Warning surfaces on jetties may be uneven and slippery, so on and so forth. So yeah, they've got this down here. Then we go back around this way and we'll walk along over there. Show you along over there so that you can see what it's like. There's the water again, and that's where the boats put in the water from. That's the boat ramp. So yeah, we're walking over this way, we're going along here. We're passing this, and they've even got, if you notice, I didn't even notice that before, use the ruler to measure your fish. Please don't clean fish on jetties or launching ramps. So they do have a measuring tape there so you can measure how long your fish is, so that you can make sure that you've actually got the right measurement on the fish. Before we go along there, we'll check out what this is over here. Yeah, so there's a lot of things here. There's a lot of cars that are not even, no one's here using them, so yeah. Then we've got a little ornament down here, which I'll show you what this one is. Yeah, so you can read it. This is a thing to commemorate the visits to Tasmania 1792-93 of Rear Admiral Bruni, something or other. You can hardly see it, most of it. But yeah, that's what it's like. Yeah, so it's really cool here. There's more over this way that we can go and have a look at as well. But yeah, we'll just have a proper look and then we'll head to another area. So if we walk along here, there's just more water, but it's nice and refreshing here, relaxing. As you can see, it's got a trail that goes around there as well that you can go. I don't go around there. They used to have little campfires here as well. Got another building over there, as you see. So yeah. It's quite a relaxing sort of area. Got big mountains over there, as you can see, hilly area. That's really cool. Nice scenery. So yeah, it's a nice, very nice scenery there. People come here to just relax, get some fresh air, have a walk and all this other sort of stuff that they want to do. So yeah, it's really good here. So yeah. Well, I'm going to head back to the car. We're going to go to the next area where I'm going to do some more recording, and I hope that you enjoy the next area that we're going to, which will be there in a split sec. Well people, I did promise you that I was going to stop at the Margate train. This is the Margate train. Do not climb on the roof of the train, but you can climb up on the train and have a look. So what I'll do is I'll climb up here and I'll show you what it looks like from up here. Just got to climb up. Now I'm up here. So as you can see, that's up there. This is all here. So this is the front engine part of the train. A lot of it's all sealed and that, but as you can see there's bits and pieces that do move. The steering wheel moves but doesn't do anything. So yeah, this is the Margate train which I'm now on. So I'm just going to hop back down. You can't hop down this side. Oh yes you can. You can actually hop down this side. And I'll try this going backwards down so that I can show you the view as I'm going down. Now we're down and we're on the other side of it. This is the MA3. This train is. And there's a fair few carriages around. We're going to go around it. Here we are, we're going around to the front of it. Then we're back here. Each carriage has a different name to it, so we're going to have a look at what the names say for each carriage. And then I might go to one of them and have a drink or something like that. We've got here we have Devil's Brewery. And Devil's Brewery is a coffee place by the looks of it. You don't mind if I'm doing this, Steve?
No, whatever, it's all good, buddy.
It's good, thank you. And then we go along here and we have choo-choos, which is basically all lollies. I'll just, as I go along, I'll ask if it's okay to just vlog in here. And at the moment we're in the choo-choo, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it, choo-choo's lolly shop.
Yeah, and this is on the Margate train, one of the carriages here. This is the worker here, and as you can see, plenty of lollies. This is what you would call kids' paradise.
Yeah, there's always something we don't have, but we got a few lollies.
Yeah, a few is not the word really.
What's your favourite, mate?
What's my favourite?
Yeah.
My favourite is actually the West Indian limes.
Yeah, you like the hard ones?
Have you got soft ones?
Not limes, not in the limes, but yeah, we've got plenty of softer ones.
Well, if I can find some soft ones, I'll get some.
What have we got? Probably find something, yeah, on that side in the containers there.
Oh, right. And how much are these each?
$3.60 per 100 grams.
$3.60 per 100 gram.
100 grams is around about one of the scoops. One of those full sort of thing. Yeah, you don't have to get 100 grams. You can just buy whatever you want.
Well, I might go and do a bit of vlogging and then I'll come back and get some more, get some lollies. But thanks for letting me vlog in here. Much appreciated. Big lollipops there. So this is the place where I'm going to come back. As soon as I finish doing my vlogging, I'm definitely coming back there. Next one we're going to is creation. I will get permission before I do. It's okay if I vlog in here, is it? Vlog? Not record for my YouTube channel? No? Okay. That's why I've got it facing outwards. I wanted to make sure before I actually do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, we
Okay.
don't have anything like that here.
Yeah, I just do it for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
And I'm in, hang on, well, as you're seeing, that person said no to vlogging in her store, so we'll go and have a look and see what else is along. We've got the bookshop along here. We've also got the barber. Yeah, so we've got the barber. Barber is not open, of course, by the looks of it. Or he's out for lunch, whichever. Then we have the pancake shop, and I'll just go and ask if it's okay to. No, I won't. I think we can basically see it from the outside. What they're doing in there. So we have the pancake train here. With a lot of interesting stuff. So yeah, we're doing the pancake, going past the pancake, and it's a pretty basically a double ordered pancake, because this is the kitchen area, this shop area. I've got another carriage here as well, where you can sit down and eat, and there are people sitting in there eating at the moment. So yeah. Then we have, going along here, we have the toilets follow the concrete path, it says. But yeah, and we have a little train there for the kiddies to play on. We have the vanilla ice cream shop, which is open. I won't go in there. Then we have the Margate and train trading post, it's called, and as you can see, there's quite some interesting things just out here alone. Look at the bird and the kangaroo and the seahorse and all that. They're quite interesting. G'day. And here we have the other part of the antique place. Yes, this is quite interesting as well. I can't believe it's got a lot of interesting things in here by the looks of it. As you can see. Yeah, so as you see, this is antiques here. So yeah, there's a lot of antiques here. So I just thought I'll bring you in and show you this sort of thing. Here we have a bit of glassware, tables there. So we do have a lot of antique stuff in here. This is quite interesting for a place. Yeah. Oh, look at them chairs. Oh, boy. Now, being them two chairs there, with the gold trims, now they're absolutely beautiful. Well, they're not actually gold trims, they're bronze trims, but they do look fantastic. I'm quite sure you would agree. That would actually look great in someone's home. Yeah, so we have a table here with some containers on it, which has got rice, tea and sugar. Of course there's no coffee ones as usual. A lot of places don't have the coffee ones. We have the thing here with these glass balls. They look quite interesting. Yeah, so we have some nice furniture here and everything else. So yeah, and a nice, oh look at that, that looks absolutely nice. Yeah, so they have a lot of interesting stuff here. Yeah, so we're going down and we have some things here, chest of drawers. That looks really nice. All different size drawers there. So yeah. Then we have what they call a kitchen cabinet here, and some older style chairs. Well done. Good day, boy or girl. That's the dog that runs around here. They have an old record player. That's quite nice. That's the old 78, and one on here is called Blue Skies, so that's quite interesting to have this sort of thing. Yeah, so we have a lot of things in here. We'll go out and we'll have a look at the next area. There's carpets in it down there, but we're not wanting to get any carpet or anything at the moment. So yeah, I'm hoping that you enjoy this little trip, and I'm hoping that this sort of thing encourages a lot more to visit Tasmania and to visit the Hobart district and have a look at the things that we have here in Hobart, because we do have a lot of antique stuff in Hobart. There's a lot of different places around, so there's an old sort of rocking horse there. I remember them when I was a kid. Yeah. So we've come back out into the other area now, and we'll go and have a look at another area and see what we think. They do have an area for toilets and that, but yeah, this is what you call the Margate train area, basically, where everything is. There's mattresses in here. So we have the mattress centre there. I'm just showing you from the outside. They look actually nice. Then we have a lot of carpets here that look quite good. This one here, this one here looks similar to my intro now, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks similar to my intro. Yeah, so we have a lot of carpet along here. And we have the carpet junction there, which has a whole variety. As you see, they've got the Christmas tree up with the train going around for Christmas. They have kids' play mats here as well, and you can see that there, it shows it, the bank, the post office, car wash and all that sort of stuff. And there's the two coffee rugs, which reminds me, it reminds me of Phase Rug. Just stirring, of course, about Phase Rug. I really like Phase Rug. Now I'm actually going to head back to the lolly shop. Oh, it looks like they have another area here which I didn't know about, kebabs and all that. So yeah, they have a different area all the time. And they have tables with numbers so that you can actually have a drink at. Yeah, so it is quite interesting place. Sorry that I weren't able to go and vlog creations, but it's the owner's privilege to decide whether or not they want to have me vlog in their Pacific area, especially when it comes to on the train. I'm actually thinking that I won't go to the lorry shop. I'm thinking that I'll more go to the Devil's Brewery and have a cup of coffee from Devil's Brewery. So yeah, I'm going to go to Devil's Brewery and have a cup of coffee. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the vlog while I have a coffee. Going back to the vlog, this is Devil's Coffee. You can see all the older parts, things here that they have, so I'm going to get a coffee. Now, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, exploring the Huon Valley and the Margate train. I hope you actually enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, a like on that likes button, and also please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping, or I would really like to get 100 viewers before Christmas, and that's only 24 more days. So I'm hoping that I'll get 100 subscribers before Christmas. That is the only thing I want for Christmas, is to have 100 viewers, subscribers on my channel before Christmas. Thank you, and I'm glad you enjoyed it. And I will see you on my next vlog. Remember, Brian's nation is a nation on its own.